The world is in danger. The evil Cypher has stolen a nuclear submarine and is planning to start a war. It's up to you to stop her before it's too late. Drive your car to invade the naval base and steal back the nuclear launch codes and launch chip. The first player with the chip and the codes who makes it past the exit space wins. All players, represented as the multicolored arrows, start on the square marked by a yellow star. Items, the launch chip, and the nuclear codes all have markers that should be placed accordingly. Items on the gray rectangle marked items, launch chip under the note labeled pick up launch chip when passing, and nuclear codes under the note labeled steal nuclear codes. On each player's turn, they will roll one die and move that distance counterclockwise along the board. There are two places where the board forks in different directions. The first fork is denoted by a red and green path. These paths will lead a player to the launch chip and nuclear codes respectively. Players can choose to go down either the red or green path when moving past the fork. The second fork is an offshoot of gray squares along the blue path. The gray path can only be taken after the player is in possession of both the nuclear codes and the launch chip. Going past the end of this path marks the player as a winner and ends the game. The board also contains various squares that impact gameplay. Ending your turn on a square marked by a circle indicates that the player may pick up a random item. This item can be used anytime on your turn, but not the same turn you pick it up. After use, discard the item by returning it to the gray rectangle above the board. Ending your turn on a square marked by a triangle activates a random event. The event revealed takes effect immediately. If a revealed event would place you on a square marked by a circle or a triangle, do not activate a new event or pick up a new item. Moving past or landing on a square marked by a yellow diamond grants the player either a launch chip or nuclear code. Each of these are necessary to win the game. The game ends when a player moves past the last square on the gray path with both the launch chip and nuclear code in possession.